This is a huge opportunity for me to demonstrate to all the tech deckers around the world, but especially to my level 2 students, because this is your kind of worst case scenario fret dress. We all know what a truss rod is supposed to do. We all know how the lay of the neck should be, but sometimes it just doesn't cooperate. So there's multiple spots on this neck, and I've got them marked, that are going to need to be dressed. I removed the nut because I have to say, there's no CNC machine or steel poles up the back of the neck or dial calipers or vices that are going to help you with this job. I do this type of work routinely on the tech deck, even these real trouble jobs. This can really be trouble with a capital T for the people that don't have loads of experience handling this type of issue. But we're going to walk you through it step by step on the tech deck, and the end result, I can tell you right now, will be nothing short of perfection. So with this one, it's not a matter of dressing the guitar under string load or anything like that. There's trouble with this neck. The truss rod is not doing exactly what it should do because the neck has high spots in the weirdest places. Your truss rod's not going to take care of that, but we'll take care of it on the tech deck. You watch and see. So once again, this video is for your benefit, not for mine. I know where all these high spots are, but I did mark them, but I wanted to illustrate with a short straight edge. You can hear that clicking. Here is one of the worst spots, and it's not a lifting fret. The fret's in there good and tight. There's a little one on the outside here. Now I need a shorter straight edge to illustrate that, and that's why you want multiple lengths of straight edges. Good. There you go. See, it didn't show up with a longer straight edge, even this one. So here's another spot here. It's fine here. Just here. And there's another spot. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different trouble spots along the trajectory of the string path that need to be leveled. We're going to take care of that, and then we'll go to our regular recrown and polish, buff this out, and this guitar will be perfect for the first time since it was made. All of those high spots are now taken care of. No more ticking, no more clicking. Even with this sort of wonky truss rod. Oh, little tiny bit of a tick there. Let's go over that and take care of it. Okay. There we go. Done. Of course, these high frets now are going to need to be recrowned and polished. No computer-controlled fret dressing machines, no vice grips, no dial calipers, no neck vices. This is a great example of how the tech deck simplifies even the most complex fret issues. For myself and all the tech deckers around the world, this is just routine stuff. We handle it all the time. Yep, from fret dress nightmare to fret dress perfection.